And here we go. I've been waiting for this for a while. You're looking at the... Oh, didn't cut that right. Oh, and this is... I hate this. All right. There we go. Make it easy. These are the Galaxy Buds Pro. Voila. Yes. The plastic, very nice. Ooh, they went with a black box this time. Different than the Galaxy Buds Plus and the original Galaxy Buds. But that's not what you're here for. So that fell. Let's unbox it. Gotta be gentle, somewhat. I like this, all right. So as you can see, you've got your case. Oh, I like the feeling of this case. It feels very premium compared to the other ones. Let's see what else. You got, let's see if I can get this open. Got some cables. There's a cable, USB. USB-A to USB-C. And what else? Where are the buds? Are they further in the box? What the heck? Did I miss them somewhere? I didn't get any buds. Oh, wait. There they are. They're inside the actual cable. Okay, I can deal with that. All right. So these bad boys right here. Apparently, they've got 11 2-drive woofers, and they're supposed to last 5 hours with ANC on, active noise cancellation, and also something I read is, and that's with Bixby wake off. So that's how you get 5 hours. Without ANC, you get about 7 to 8 hours. Of course, that's with Bixby wake up off. Something I didn't hear before. So, got my tab, S7 Plus. Let's see if they'll connect right away. Haven't connected them yet. Oh, there we go. Connect. And there's an update already. And that's it. They're connected. Let me make sure that's true. Oh, nope. Wrong settings. Where? The Where app. Disconnected from the Buds Plus, but is it connected to the Plus Pro? The Buds Pro. The yada yadas. Cannot connect. Oh, it's probably because I closed it. Oops. Here we go. Let's try this one more time. Are they on? Are they off? Ooh. Are the magnets any better before we move on? Let me see if the magnets are any better. Oh, well, the doors clearly sealed them off. Yeah. Magnets are pretty good. It's connected to a Bluetooth. I don't know which Bluetooth, but it can't be anything else. I'm going to put them on. Probably see my reflection in the actual tablet there. And it gave me that signal that it's on. It's beeping. Let's play some music. Oh, Final Fantasy. For whatever reason, I'll just play a video. Yeah, I could definitely hear them. But why aren't they showing up here? I guess you gotta actually do this. Here we go. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. That was a very, very easy connection. Look at that. Active noise cancellation, high and low. Voice detect. I'll give a full review of that later, maybe. Active noise cancellation, off. There's off. And then ambient sound. The sounds that, if you own any of the old buds, the sound that you hear in your ears are different. There's the normal, no ambient sound, no ANC, and now ANC. Huh. It almost feels the same. I don't see any difference really. That's with it off. There I can hear. But then that's on and that's off. I don't hear a difference. Maybe with an update, maybe I need to change the silicone on it, make a tighter fit. But that's basically it. That's how easy peasy it was. Galaxy Buds Pro. I'll give a full review on what I think about it later. But for now, thanks for checking in.